Hello and welcome back to class. I hope you are ready to continue our journey. In our previous session, session 2, we explored BI tools and AI integration. We looked at the tools we use and how AI makes them much more powerful. Today, we are in session 3 and we are moving forward to this session where we will discuss mapping the decision-making process. This is a crucial step because before we can use AI effectively, we must understand the decision we are trying to make. Let's begin with an introduction of this field. And in this lesson, as we continue building the foundation of AI in business, we are looking at concepts that shape modern decision making. We know that AI is not just for IT department; it impacts multiple organizational functions. In this session also, you will explore how artificial intelligence improves efficiency, accuracy, and strategic outcomes. We operate in dynamic business environment where things change fast. Understanding these AI fundamentals is not just technical knowledge, it helps you appreciate the technology's growing influence on competitive advantage. If you understand the decision process, you can operationalize AI better than your competitors. Trust me, if you understand the decision process with AI, you can operationalize AI better than your competitors. What is our specific objective in this way? Let's talk about objective of this session. We want to understand how AI integrates with business intelligence frameworks to support data-driven decision. They also connect between the process and the technology. Learners will examine methods and enable AI to strengthen analytics capability. We will look at various organizational functions and workflows. And the goal here is to build the essential knowledge required to apply AI responsibly. We don't just want to use AI, we want to use it within structured decision-making environment where it adds the most value. Let's talk about mapping after that, mapping the decision-making process. And when we talk about mapping the process, every company has a corporate decision cycle. This cycle includes stages where we can improve clarity, reduce bias, and accelerate outcomes. Mapping these steps is like drawing a map of a journey. Why do we do this? It's very simple. It helps organizations identify the specific opportunities, where AI enhances accuracy and operational effectively. You might find that AI is great for one part of the process, but not another. Understanding the decision flow enable targeted AI employment. This can ensure that our choices are consistent and based on evidence rather than just gut feeling. What are the stages? And let's identify decision making and decision stage of this way. When we map the process, we identify key stages. These typically include problems identification, data gathering, analysis, evaluation, selection, and the implementation. Of course, it is a step-by-step journey. Where does AI fit in? Here we can see that how AI can support the early stage by clarifying problems. And when we ask how, the answer is by using data-driven insight and automated pattern recognition to tell us, for example, hey, look here, there is a problem. In the later decision stage, AI helps us finish the job. AI generated recommendations, reduce uncertainty, and improve decision confidence when it is time to choose a path forward. This is very important. And when we talk about how to reduce bias with AI, this is a very important subject. And when we talk about this topic, reducing bias, as a human, we all have objective and subjective other opinions. We might like one product more than other, or we might be influenced by our mood. Yeah, here can reduce bias by analyzing data objectively. It looks at the numbers, not at the feelings. And here, minimizing subjective human influence is a very or a major benefit of AI in business. When we talk about algorithm and how they evaluate information consistency, they apply the same rules to every piece of data, ensuring that decision rely on evidence rather than personal assumption. This bias improves fairness, transparency, and accountability across the organization. It makes the decision process defensible and very, very clear. Let's improving decision speed, and speed is critical in the modern world. AI here increase decision speed by rapidly processing large data set. Think about how long it would take a human to read a million, for example, of spreadsheets. AI can do it in seconds. Here, let's look at the automated insight allow leaders to respond quickly to emerging challenges and opportunities. You don't have to wait for a team of analyze this field and to prepare a report next week. You get the insight now. These faster decision enhance organizational agility. It enable timely action that are perfectly aligned with your strategic business goals. And here we can talk about agility and these faster decision enhance organizational agility. Let's break down the specific stage and look at the data collection stage. And here, starting with data collection, here you cannot make good decision without good data. It's rules. AI enhances the collection of relevant data by automating retrieval. It pulls information from multiple internal and external sources automatically. And this automated system can ensure that we have comprehensive data set. This supports also accurate analysis and informed decision making. If we are missing data, our decision is flawed. By improving data collection here in this step, AI reduces error and strengthens the foundation for all the subsequent analytical stage that follow. Next, we move to the data analysis stage, and in this case, this is where the heavy lifting happens. Here, AI-driven analysis identifies patterns, correlation, and anomalies. These are the things that guide strategic decision across business function. And here, let's talk about machine learning and how machine learning models can evaluate complex data sets. They can uncover deep insight that humans might overlook during manual review. We are only human, we miss things, and here AI doesn't miss them. This enhanced analysis support predictive capabilities, enabling organizations to anticipate future trends and risk also before they happen. Let's look at the decision evaluation stage and how AI can support this. Once we have the analysis, we reach the decision evaluation stage. We have options. Now we must choose. AI supports this evaluation by comparing potential outcomes. It uses simulations and predictive modeling techniques to show us if you choose option A, for example, this happens. If you choose option B, that happens. This is a model to make decision. This gives decision makers a clearer understanding of the risk and benefit associated with each option. Here, we aren't guessing at all. The evaluation tools improve decision quality by presenting objective evidence. And here, this supports the strategic organizational choices that leaders need to make. Let's summarize and let's talk about some of the key concepts. To summarize this session, let's review what we learned. AI strengthens decision making by reducing bias, improving speeds, and enhancing analytical accuracy. These are the three pillars we discussed today. We also learned that mapping decision stage helps identify where AI provides the maximum value. It is not about using AI everywhere, but it is the right place. This session establishes a foundational understanding for applying AI effectively throughout structured business decision cycle. You now have the map. In next session, we will cover and we will dive into specific business areas. We will cover functional AI across finance, marketing, and operations. We will discuss financial forecasting and risk management and data requirement and look at specific use case. Thank you for your attention in this session. We have covered mapping the decision-making process, identifying decision stage, reducing bias with AI, improving decision speed, and the specific stage of data collection, data analysis, and data decision making. Thank you for your attention and see you next session.